everyone, I'm Cassie and today is special because today we will be carrying out a simple science experiment to answer this question. What foods contain starch? In case you don't know, starch is a carbohydrate or energy supplying element in some foods. Your body can turn starch into sugars you can use. But of course, too much starch causes too much sugar and can make you sick. That is why we need to know what foods not to eat too much of. And that is why we're performing this simple experiment to know which foods contain starch. Okay, if you want to do this too, the materials are flashed on the screen. Alright, let's go! The iodine in the beginning is colored reddish orange. But when it mixes with starch, it turns dark blue or black, as you can see on the screen. Did you know that cooked food releases more starch than uncooked food? That's because cooking breaks down cell walls in food, bringing starch to the surface. Whoa, these results are so much fiercer than I predicted. For example, the carrot. I didn't even think it had starch at all. And did you know that paper has starch too? I'm starting to wonder if wood also has starch. Now, let's go back to the purpose of this experiment. Why did we have to find out what foods contain starch? Because too much starch, aka sugar, can cause a disease called diabetes. People with diabetes have to watch their sugar level, and it may mean avoiding foods like potatoes, bread, pasta, and popcorn. But of course, it doesn't mean that you mustn't eat anything with starch at all. It means you should just avoid eating too much of it. Still, this experiment helps us know what foods to eat for quick energy, what foods not to eat too much of, and to help others with diabetes to pick the right foods to eat, especially if you want to be a nutritionist or dietitian.